Hello guys, and welcome to the first episode of Small Town Anglers. This is going to be a new YouTube fishing series that focuses mainly on two bodies of water. It's going to be a creek and a river, which is going to be Fountain Creek and Duck River. So right now, today, we're at the creek, Fountain Creek. This place is probably about a mile from my house. And I mean, I'm literally down here just about every single day. I love fishing down here. There's some nice bass in here. You just gotta walk to the right places. You gotta brush hog. Is that what it is? I don't know. Bushwhack. That's it. You got bushwhack just a little bit to get to some of these places, but once you get there, it is totally worth it. Totally worth it, guys. But not this video, but the next video you guys see me post. After that, I plan to have 2 to 3 videos out every week. Like, I'm gonna be posting all the time. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Right now, I'm sorry if the camera quality is gonna be bad. It's because I'm recording off my iPhone. I actually lost my GoPro in the river yesterday. It was very tragic. I'm still very upset about it, but it's okay. We'll get a new one soon. Just bear with me for the first couple videos because they will be off my phone. And I hope you guys enjoy, so stick around and I will see you once we're back to the fishing spot. I made it to the spot. I'm actually gonna throw a little black and yellow chartreuse crank. Let's hope. We almost went in, boys, right off the bat. That's not good. See a lot of bass hanging around out here. Hoping something takes interest in this guy. Oop, they got spooked over towards me. It looks like they're getting spooked by this thing. So, I'm gonna try more of a subtle approach. Alrighty. Well, one downside is I know my camera angles are bad, guys. They will get better as I record more. I'm used to the GoPro. I'm not used to my phone. So, it's very heartbreaking that I don't have that anymore. I wish that wind was not blowing. Well, it's downside to getting hit in a tree. It's okay though. Basically all I'm doing right now is just fishing this lizard off the bottom. I'm swimming him around a little bit where I see the bass sitting. This isn't even the spot I was actually gonna go to, but it had so many fish that I would be, oh, all right guys, oh, we hooked up, oh yeah, rock bass, a fat rock bass too, golly. He choked that son of a gun. He choked it. Look at that, guys. Beautiful fish right there. Absolutely beautiful. Let me make sure I get that in camera. Beautiful, beautiful rock bass. Hurry up and get the hook out this guy and get him back in the water. I actually hooked him through the tongue. That probably didn't feel so good for him. Alright, we got him out. He should be fine. We'll make sure. Hook was actually in his tongue pretty bad. Started making his tongue bleed just a little bit. Let's get him back in here. Get him on his way. There he goes. He should be good. Did definitely get him through the tongue though. You don't want to do that with a lizard. Well, we're headed now to the next spot. I fished this spot for a minute. Tried to catch some, didn't really get no bites. And as I'm walking past it now, not seeing nothing but my lizard stuck in a tree, which is pretty sad. I'm hoping this little rig here I got set up will work as a chest mount, because I actually kind of like it. It feels pretty comfy. If my phone will stay there with no risks of falling, then I can get some cool chest mount footage. Alright, here we are at the next spot, and I'm already seeing some nice smallmouth out there swimming around. I'm trying to get down here on the bank. It's real shallow until we get to the other edge, but well, you have to see me fall. It's always fun. At least the phone ain't going in the water. That's what counts. All right. Tied on the wacky worm. I'm actually gonna walk out in the water some and pray to God I don't drop my phone. I know my feet are gonna get wet too, but I want to make a cast over here. Oh, I got one, guys. Got one. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a good one too. The wacky worm. My first fish off the wacky worm. Oh yeah. Ha ha. We actually caught a nice one. That is the best one of the day. Off the wacky worm, straight through the roof of the mouth. Ah, man, what a grind. All right. Whew. That was exciting. That's the first fish off the wacky worm ever. Never ever caught one. Let's get this guy back in the water though. Heck yeah, that was awesome. Let's catch another one. It wasn't that big of a fish, guys. I know I shouldn't have freaked out that much, but I've been out here for like 3-4 hours. It's my second fish. Plus, it was my first off the wacky worm, seriously. I've never, ever fished this, ever. I just bought the hooks the other day because I saw them. And I was like, you know what? We're gonna try that and see what it's all about. That's not what you want to do. All right, I got it out. I still got it. Okay, cool. We have made it to the next spot. I think this will actually be the last spot too. So hopefully I can catch a couple more. I think I've only caught 2 today. It's been a grind. It's definitely been a grind. Got one. Oh yeah, got another one. Oh, it's a good one, guys. Oh yeah, come on in, buddy. Heck yeah, guys. A lot better than the last one. Lost my worm that time, but look at that beauty. Choked. And I mean, choked the wacky worm, guys. Alrighty, got it out. Okay. Let's get that out. Let's get this bad boy back in. Beautifully clear water. Best one of the day. Heck yeah. Well, I'm gonna take the backpack off, make a few more casts, and I'm probably out of here. Alright, well, we've made it down just a little bit deeper water. I'm gonna throw the crank at them now. Really bad first cast with it too. Just gonna see if maybe I can catch one of those ones willing to feed right now. Bumping in all over these rocks. I feel like there's got to be something in this pool, so I can't really see nothing at the time being. We're gonna throw the wacky rig at him again. Oh, look at there. I actually did get a hit when I swapped. Come on, is he gonna grab it? Got one. Oh yeah, little guy. But we got, oh, he came off. I saw him swim away. Heck yeah, that was cool. I'm just gonna see if I can get anything else out of here to bite. I don't think there's nothing much in this pool, so we're gonna go ahead and move down. So now we're here. This is actually the place I caught my first fish off the weightless Cinco too. Ooh. Got one, guys. There we go. There we go. Ooh, he came off. All right, little guy, chill out. We saved him. Got a bit muddy. Nice first fish. It's pretty cool. Let's see if I can get the release here. Gone. Heck yeah. That's cool. I know I just caught one from here, but I'm actually gonna move to the other side of this tree because I think, if I don't go in, I can get better casts from here if I break this branch. There we go. Sometimes you gotta modify nature. Make one cast back into this current. Nothing. Got one. Oh yeah. We got a dang good one. Oh yeah. Good smallie. Look at there. Oh man. Heck yeah. Good old smallie. Come on, buddy. Look at there. Creek smallies. Alrighty. Heck yeah, guys. Nice creek smallie. Very nice. He's blind in this eye, though. Let's see if I can get a release on him. Kind of far up here. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he just went right here. Just swimming in the current. It's so cool that I can just watch him swim away. I love seeing clear water situations like this. Well, that's cool. 2 from this one spot. Glad I moved down. But this guy's about to rip right in half. Like next fish is ripping this bait, guys. She's still intact. Just got another hit, guys. Yep. Got another one. This is so fun. I'm in such a perfect little spot. Little rock bass. Heck yeah. Let's get that on camera. Itty bitty little rock bass. Pretty fish though. Pretty fish. A lot easier to get the hook out of that one. See you, little guy. Oh, the Cinco held up through another fish. Can we catch a 4th one? No, we cannot, because we just got hung around a tree really bad. And we got just the hook back. Well, I ended up finding one more Cinco. I knew I had much more Cincos, but I found one of these watermelon red flake. And I ripped it down just a little bit, as you can see right there maybe. And yeah, we're gonna see if that works. Ooh, Ooh, I was not paying attention. I was not paying attention. It's okay, it wasn't that bad a one. Oh, no way, I got one. Even through all that nonsense, I caught one. A little guy, I mean, super, super tiny fish. Micro bass. Look at this little thing. Super tiny, super tiny. Like, the worm is almost the size of him. It's like half his size. That's crazy. And he still wanted to hit it. That shows how aggressive bass are. Say goodbye to the camera, little dude. Oh, okay. Well, heck yeah. Did not know where I landed, but it was like way over there somewhere. Oh. Oh, did he let go? No? Is he still there? Got him. Got one, guys. Another good one. Another good one. Another good one. Haha, yes. Coolio. I didn't even know he was on there. Seriously, like, he just kind of took off with it. Wow, look at that. Like, awesome. Awesome. Look at that fish. That is such a beautiful fish. Such a beautiful fish. There he goes. Hey guys, this is the end here. I hope you guys really enjoy the first episode on my channel here. I'm gonna be posting a lot more. Just be watching out. The next video you see post up after this one is gonna be 2 to 3 videos a week after that. I'm not sure what days yet. I'm gonna have to figure out what works best with my internet because my internet's really crappy. But as soon as I get that down, I'll let you guys know on a schedule and I'll have videos out all the time on a regular basis. Until then, it's just gonna be random. I'll have 2 to 3 posted a week. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned.